Good morning and Jain students. Today we are going to start the new topic, right? So before proceeding there, I would tell you that I hope that you must have completed this tables which we have written on that day, last day. So first of all you have to complete your tables, and after that we will start this topic, that is multiplication, right? Today's topic is multiplication. Now this we have already studied, हम लोग पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं multiplication. So आज फिर हम पढ़ाई करेंगे and how to write everything you have to learn here, okay? And in today's PDF I will be sending you the index also, ठीक है? आज मैं index भी भेजूंगी, तो सब बच्चे अच्छे से index को note down करेंगे एंड जिस दिन जो वर्क कराएंगे वहाँ पे आपको डेट मेंशन करनी है. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज टॉपिक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू राइट हियर क्लास वर्क. जस्ट राइट डाउन क्लास वर्क like this, okay? After that write down today's date here in the corner, write down date and then make column like this. Okay, you need to make column like this. After that we have to do 4 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, here question number 3 and here question number 4. We will be doing this. So the first question is 23 multiplied by 4. Okay, this is our first question. Now before doing this you need to write down here ones and here tens. ठीक है, हमें ये ones tens लिखना है. Okay, why we are writing this? Because it is in ones column and this is tens column and you have to do in the notebook properly, right? आपको अपनी कॉपी में बहुत ध्यान से करना है. In one column there will be ones and in the next column there will be tens. Okay. Now what we have to do? We need to multiply. So I will be doing solving one question properly so that you can see properly, right? So for that I am going to share the PPT. You can see how to do this. Okay. Questions आप वहाँ से note down करो and then one question I will be solving here so that you can see properly each and every questions. Alright, so I'm sharing the PPT with you all. Now you can see here this page is like your notebook. ये आपकी copy की तरह page है. So here you need to write down the questions first. कैसे लिखेंगे आप? You all know that how do you have to write. First of all here will be class work and in this corner, left corner, there will be date. Okay, and now what you have to do, you need to draw the line like this. So first of all draw the line everyone. Okay, write here date, here class work, and what is the today's topic? That is multiply. You need to write the today's topic, that is multiply or multiplication. You can write here multiplication. Just write down this. Now after writing this, make the lines with the help of scale and pencil color. You have to do this all 4 questions and here you will write ones column then tens column. Here again ones column and tens column. Here ones and tens. Ones and tens. Now after this you need to write today's numbers which we have to solve. First question is 23 multiplied by 4. Okay, I will show each and every multiplication on the board so that you can see it properly. And now 17 multiplied by 5. Write all the 4 questions Next, 46 multiplied by 2, and then next we have 18 multiplied by 5. These are the 4 questions which we are going to do today as classwork, and in this way you need to solve. Alright, so these are 4 questions. First of all, note it down, your classwork, and in the same way you will be having your homework. Okay, first this is your classwork, and in the next page I will be writing your homeworks also. Okay, so shall we write first the digit written? Now let's start the solution. Okay, I am going to start the solution. Alright, so understand here how to do the first question. This I am doing the first one. First is 23 multiplied by 4. You have noted down the questions. Now let's multiply. First we need to multiply from the ones place. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. You need to learn the table. Okay, now we got 12. So we will write 2 here. यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ 2 लिखेंगे and 1 will be the carry. You will write carry in the next place. This is ones place और carry हम next में लिखेंगे, that is on tens place. Now multiply with 4. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are how much? 4 2s are is 8 and 8 में हमें carry ऊपर दिया, that is 1. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So what we have got the answer? 92. You will write here 92 here like this. So after doing this question, now we will be doing the next question, right? Next question is 17 multiplied by 5. So let me erase this first. Then we will be doing 17 multiplied by 5. So now the next question, that is 17 multiplied by 5. This is our question number 2, right? So let's do it. Understand it properly. सबसे पहले हम कौन से कॉलम को करेंगे? Ones, then tens. So now just hide it first. इसको हम छुपा देते हैं. 7 5s are, yes, you know the table, right? Up to 15 you have studied. I have given you tables. You need to learn each and every table. 7 5s are 35. So 5 we will write here and 3 30, the 3 that will be on the tens place. Why it is on the tens place? Because it is 35. So ones place में हमने 5 लिखा. You can see here 35. 5 कौन से place पे? Ones, and this is on the tens place. So इसलिए ये carry forward हुआ है tens पे. So 35 का 5 हमने ones पे लिख दिया and 3 will be carry on the tens place. Now next 5 ones are 5. ठीक है, 5 ones are 5. But we need to add 3 also. So 5 plus 3 कितना होगा? That is 8. So you will write in the tens column 8 like this. And you need to do like this. Once tens column बनाने के बाद you have to leave one line here, one box, and then you will write question. So the answer is 85. Understood? Now we will be doing the third question, that is 46 multiplied by 2. So let me erase first. Alright. Now we will be doing the question number 3rd and 4. Right? You have written this. We will be doing question 3 and question number 4. Now in question number 3 on the ones place 6 and 2 is there. So 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12. So 2 will be here. 6 2s are 12. 2 will be here and 1 will be the carry. Right? Next 4 2s are is 8 plus 1, that is 9. So just write down 92 as a answer. We got it? Now let's do the next question, that is question number 4. Here we have 8 multiplied by 5. You know what is 8 multiplied by 5? 8 5s are how much? 40, right? 8 5s are 40. So you will write 0 over here and 4 will be the carry, right? And you will write carry in circle so that you don't get confused. आपको confusion ना हो कि गलती से आपने 4 से multiply कर दिया तो problem होगी. So just circle it out. Next, 5 ones are 5 plus 4. How much it is? 5 plus 4 is 9. So this will be the answer 90. 90. Write down. These are for classwork. Now you have to do the homework. I will be giving you some questions as a homework and just watch it properly and note it down. Okay. Now it's time for your homework. Alright. So I'm writing the questions over here. You can note it down. Just note down with me. Okay. Heading will be homework. Right. Let me choose black ink and write properly. Multiplication in the same way. And here you will write today's date. Okay. So now note down fast the homework question. Here will be ones, here will be tens. Here again ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, and then leave one box. Okay. Here you have to write 24 multiplied by 4. Okay. In this way you need to do. And here will be your answer. You can write question numbers over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 question will be homework. Next is 30 multiplied by 3. So just note down. After this we have 17 multiplied by 5. Okay. Note it down. Next we have 45 multiplied by 2. Okay. So now just solve these 4 questions properly, and whatever carry will be here you need to circle it and you have to write. Okay. If there is carry you need to circle it and then you have to do. Got it? In the same way in this also you will be doing like this. Let me erase it first. You have to do in the same way. As there will be carry, leave one box, and here 17 multiplied by 5. Okay. Here 45 multiplied by 2. So whatever carry will be here you need to write in the circle. Okay. So do like this only. Okay. Now just revise table. Okay. You need to revise table every day. Alright. So let's revise table. Now just revise the table of 11 and 12. Okay. Just revise it fast. And you need to revise daily tables up to 15. You have to revise. Okay. Table of 11 and 12. First revise that. 11 ones are 11 like this. Just do it. And you know how to we write tables. कैसे करते हैं? We can add that number or we can multiply it. And multiplication is very easy if you have learned the table. Just revise it. 11 and 12. Then 13, 14 and 15. Every day you need to revise these tables. Alright. And complete your today's classwork and homework. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. You can revise it right now. अभी revise करना है. Okay. And then table of 15. Up to 15 you need to learn. 2 to 15. All right. So do practice every day. All right. So now what you have learned today, you have revised tables, you have done 4 questions as a classwork and 4 questions I have given you as a homework. मैंने 4 questions homework में दिए. For that you need to revise all the tables. ठीक है, जितनी भी टेबल मैंने दी है आपको 2 to 15 लिखवाई है. You need to revise every day so that you can do multiplication chapter easily, and after that we will be doing division and it will be easier for you to revise that also. And I have given you index today as I have told you. So note down index properly. See, you will be writing index over here. यहाँ पे properly आपको कॉपी में जैसे दिया है index लिखोगे आप पूरा, and in column of date you will write every day date. जैसा जैसा वर्क हम कराएंगे आपको लिखते रहना है. Alright, you can see here this index you have to do, and after index you need to write the tables. Okay, like this, like 11, 12 to 15 पूरी टेबल लिखनी है, and then you need to do your class work like this. ठीक है, आपको अपनी कॉपी में कैसे वर्क करना है ऐसे. You can see here ऐसे class work and in the next page homework. So you all have to follow the same sequence जैसे हम अभी तक कर रहे थे और क्लास में करते वैसे ही सेम आपको अपनी नोटबुक को नीट एंड क्लीन रखना है. You can use color but only pencil color. पेंसिल कलर से आप ड्रॉ करोगे लाइन and then you will do. और मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए you have to learn and revise table every day. Alright, so bye bye, take care. Tomorrow we will be doing in the next class the book exercise. आज हमने कौन सी किया, नोटबुक. तो हम लोग ऐसे ही करेंगे, एक दिन नोटबुक में करेंगे एक दिन बुक में करेंगे. आज हमने नोटबुक वर्क किया है. सो इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी डूइंग द बुक वर्क. सब बुक लेके बैठेंगे. ओके, सो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, जय हिंद.